Hey YouTube, this is Matt with PG Prospecting. We're working on my wedding ring tonight. So basically we did sand casting here. So what this is, you put this sand, casting sand is what they call it, I think, into the mold. Pound it a bunch of times, and you imprint your ring into the one. Imprint your ring. And then put the other mold on top. This other mold goes on top then with the ring in here. And then you add more casting sand to the top, pound it in, and then you got to make your funnel, which is this part here where the gold will come down in to the ring here. And we got the leftovers from her ring in our crucible here, and we got our map gas. And we're going to put this together and we are going to melt it. So I'll be right back as soon as I get the camera set up for that. I'm not sure that we have enough gold. We will see. Did it complete? Nope.
Failed attempt number 1.
Yep. Okay, working on second attempt here. We got the bottom piece all pounded in and the ring inset halfway. After that, you put in the top. You got to pound sand over top of it again, so to imprint. We got a sand cat hair mix, which is lovely because of this fuzzy thing. It adds strength, like fiberglass, cat hair glass. Get that in there, you get a dowel and tamper down. Multiple layers.
forgot to put
Baby powder?
baby powder down.
You're not going to be able to get it apart.
Most of it has baby powder still, though.
Oh,
We will see. I might have to redo this because I
did-
forgot to put a parting powder down between at least part of it that I redid. We will see.
Owen. Oh, please lift it on my foot. Lucky.
So it worked, just not in the way I thought it pulled. It pulled the ring out of the one side, but that should work. What we'll do is we'll put a little bit down.
Isn't it going to stop the flow?
Huh?
It's going to stop the flow.
You're going to stop the flow.
Hear this, YouTube? That's how he talks to me.
Put that back. So now we have to cut out major. Cut out the channel for the molten gold to flow down into. Babe, you're not helping. I'm using a scalpel, which seems to work pretty good. I've seen people use knife blades. Anything that'll really cut soft sand. That side looks pretty good. Kind of move over to this one.
The first half made a pretty decent ring. You know?
Mm-hmm.
You sure you have enough now? It doesn't look like it.
I know. I know it doesn't look like it.
So you don't think you have enough?
I don't think I have enough now.
Then what are you doing this for? You're going to add more gold to it.
Yeah, I'm going to try to.
Okay.
Pull that ring out of there, there, careful there. That'd be pretty close to being the mold. Funnel built in. So there's it back up now. Now we gotta melt the gold down. I got the leftovers of our other ring. I added some extra gold and some flux, our mold, and the matte gas. And the cat. He's probably gonna run. See how that went. You can see a little bit of a sprue down in there. Hey, look, there's a ring. See how fully intact it is. Not too bad. I think it's acceptable. A little thin right there. A little thin right there on that part near the sprue. But I think overall, I consider that a success. Obviously need some filing work and everything else now, but that's casting a ring using sand casting techniques. And raw placer gold from Virginia. So now after casting, it's just a ton of Dremel work, cutting, sanding, and polishing. So it's coming along. Coming along. I'm going to leave some of the little divots and stuff in it. I kind of like it. So there's pretty much the finished project. I kind of like some of the impurities in it. Leo's going to check it out too, right, buddy? Yeah. Leo approved. But polished up and pretty good. I like it. Got some little pits and stuff in it, but I kind of like that look. So, cool. That is my ring for the wedding. And her ring for the wedding. And the kitty, Leo. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll have more interesting videos to come.